Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to change the engine air filter or inspect the air filter. So, open the lever here. This is a 2014 Hyundai Santafe. So this is where the engine filter sits. So you just pull this two apart. It's very easy. And this thing just lifts a little bit, and this thing just drops here. The filter will just come out. So looking at this filter, it seems to be pretty clean, so I'm not going to change it. So this is just how to inspect it. You could just replace it with the new one. Put this back in. Put this back on, and again just snap it in place, and you're done. Thanks a lot for watching. This is a 2014 Hyundai Santafe Sport.